Hello students, this is part 4 MCQs series. Today in this video I am discussing about Mysore district paper. So totally 4 series I have done, 20 into 4, 80 MCQs I have covered in this 4 series. Those who are watching my video for the first time or without subscription, please do subscribe because subscription is free. You need not have to pay anything for this. Hit the like button, press the notification bell icon so that you will receive the new updates. Share it to your friends so that they might get help from this, because this 29th you are going to write your annual second PU electronics exam. Okay, we'll start. Mysore district paper, first main. JFET is it is a voltage controlled device. I hope this is a revision for you. So for faithful amplification, Q point should be chosen at center of DC load line. This is also a repeated question. What is the phase difference between input and output of a CC? Have you observed here? In 2 papers it was asked CB, now it is asking CC. But again CB, CC phase shift is 0 degree. Negative feedback is used in amplifiers. For oscillators, we use positive feedback. Rectifiers and filters are of different concepts. The value of CMRR in ideal op-amp is infinite. In the last video, part 3, I have given in detail what are the 5 parameters for which ideally op-amp value will be infinite. Sixth question, an op-amp integrator converts square wave into, this also in the previous video they have asked sine wave, there I have explained. So square wave, if you give it to an integrator will give you triangular wave. The atmospheric layer which reflects radio wave is, it is nothing but ionosphere which has 4 layers, DE, F1 and F2. Expression for bandwidth of an AM, this in the previous videos, part 1 I have explained clearly with the frequency spectrum, it is 2 FM. So over modulation in AM occurs when modulation index is greater than 1. If you observe that modulation index diagram, it will come like this and there will be a small gap and again it will come. For this low frequency, high frequency signals are there. Actually, it is not a completely cut. This will produce here. This will produce here. This part is having distortion. This is called as over modulation. 10th question, which of the following is not a power device? Again, it is a repeated question, LED. 11th question, how many variables can be eliminated by a quad? A quad will eliminate 2 variables, 1 variable will be eliminated by pair, 3 variable will be eliminated by octet. So 3 ways it can be asked. Toggling mode of a JK flip-flop is, toggling mode occurs when clock is 1. So these options are ruled out. In these 2 options, clock is 1, again J and K also should be 1. So it is option D. Size of RAM in 8051 microcontroller is 128 bytes, wherein 4 kilobyte is for ROM. C equivalent expression for A plus B the whole square by 2 is option C. A plus B star A plus B. This is in the numerator divided by 2. 15th question. The shape of the cell in a mobile communication is, cell means not the cell phone, it is the geographical division of the area, that is hexagonal shape. So fill in the blanks, check the options once, 1 bit, channel, 1/4, maximum voltage divider. The space between 2 PN junction in JFET, this is called as channel. If you remember, N channel JFET, P channel JFET. The most commonly used biasing method of a transistor is, that is voltage divider. It is a self-biasing, widely used, highly stabilized, all those things. So voltage divider. Impedance matching is required in an amplifier circuit to transfer. It is always maximum power. Option D. The minimum length of an antenna for effective transmission or reception of RF signal is, always it is 1/4 of the wavelength. That is nothing but option C. Gray code has a special feature that changes only by 1 bit. That is why it is used even in K-map. So option A. I hope this video also will help you to revise. Few questions are repeated, but few questions are unique in this question paper. And if you revise this, I hope the first part you can attempt very easily. By this, I am finishing MCQ series. Next videos will be 2 markers, 3 markers and 5 markers passing package I will be doing. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you really like the video and if it helps you.